Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you a software that stores all your password locally in an encrypted database, no cloud needed, and the application name is KeyPass. It's a very good software for Windows PC. So what you have to do for download it, you have to open any of your favorite browser, and then simply come over into the search option and simply search for KeyPass, and then click enter. And then you're going to get the keypass.info website. Click on that, and from here you have to look for the latest one. And if you get the you can get it here, download keypass 2.61. Click on that and click on the setup.exe file, and it will going to redirect you to the website, and click on download, and the download has been completed. Now if you click on the folder icon, and here is your keypass.2.61 setup reset. So if you click on 2 times and minimize all the background tab, there will be a permission. Click yes, and simply minimize all the background tab. And now if you click on OK for the language, check I accept the agreement and click next. Next another time, next, and create a desktop shortcut, next, and simply install. And now as you can see that the installation is completed. Now you're going to click on finish to open it. Click on enable recommended. And now from here you're going to get all of your password that you're going to save here. So yeah, it's a very useful app. Sometimes we forget our password. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.